What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have an update on Jasmy once again. But in this case, as you guys can see, since the Bitcoin halving, it has been consistently hitting green candles. So we're going to be going through what is next for Jasmy over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. Can the crypto potentially head up to 3, 4, 5 cents? And what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and we can see that the crypto has finally pumped back up into the top tier level right now. And in my previous updates, I did warn you guys, do expect the crypto to literally drop back down in value to the resistance level and bounce back up, and that is exactly what's happening. And of course, the Bitcoin halving has also helped the situation. But let's hide this for now and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the SMA indicator running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning according to the graph, an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should have taken a little bit of a dip down in value, and I also agree with that. Reason being is, yes, it has gained a decent amount of value over the last few days. It's time for it to take a little bit of a step back in value, but again, I'm not expecting a major drop or a crash or anything like that. Potentially dropping down just over the 2 cents target here is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at. But then again, if there are any updates on this or changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, it is looking a little bit of a dip over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, we are looking a little bit skeptical here. The blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy towards the end of the week and early next week. However, that is according to the graph. From the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting Jasmy to go for an overall increase in value, potentially heading up to around 0.023 to 0.024 cents in value is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by the end of the week. That is taking into consideration the dips that are likely to take place in between as well. So it's not going to be consistently hitting green candles. It is also likely to hit dips in between, because that is crypto. That's how the crypto market works. Without dips, it won't be as sustainable as it is right now. So minimal increases in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy over the coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so potentially mid to late June 2024, we do have both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and they are not looking too steep either, meaning this is much more realistic. So By late June, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone through over the 3 cents value is what I'm expecting. But again guys, do bear in mind, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis if there are any changes to this. Like for example, if there's an update that comes out or any news that can have a potential positive or negative impact on the value of Jasmy, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, but also to stay in the loop on my predictions on Jasmy as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level, even though in between at some point I'm expecting it to drop down into the blue zone. I'm expecting it to bounce back up into the top tier level, because that's how crypto works guys. It's not consistently green candles and happy days. We are likely to see the odd dips and crashes in between, but as long as we can recover from that, it should be good to go, which as I said, I'm expecting from Jasmy to take place in between over the next couple of weeks as well. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone down by 17% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $69 million in trading. Reason it has gone down is because, as you guys can see, earlier yesterday and this morning it was on the red side. However, right now it has slowly started to gain value, so right now we would see more and more people trading with crypto. Over the week it is just about 7% up. Reason being is it did take quite a hit earlier last week, hitting red candles, as you guys should be able to see on the candlestick pattern chart here. It did take quite a hit, but right now it is slowly starting to recover. But again, at the moment we do have a good amount of trading, and I'm expecting the trading volume to go up even higher over the coming weeks as more and more people will start to trade the crypto, which in return should also help the value of Jasmy pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So can Jasmy potentially hit the 5 cents target by the end of the year? Personally, it should be able to. It's not realistic. It is a realistic and reasonable amount that it should be able to hit, depending on of course how the crypto market performs, but I will keep you guys updated. Let me know, when are you guys expecting Jasmy to hit the 5 cents target? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.